Hello, learners. Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I went to my friend's house. I will tell you what I did there, and we will also learn English with it. Let's start. Yesterday I went to my friend's house. I was excited but also a little nervous. I rang the doorbell. He opened the door with a big smile. But something surprising happened. When I entered the house, I saw his wife. She was very beautiful and very confident. For a moment, I forgot what to say. She smiled and said hello. I quickly said, "Hello. Nice to meet you." My friend laughed and said, "Why are you so quiet today?" I said, "Nothing. I am just tired." We sat in the living room, but I was still a little shy. She brought tea and snacks. The food looked amazing. I said, "Wow, this looks delicious." She smiled again. Now I felt more comfortable. We started talking and laughing. The mood became fun and relaxed. My friend told some funny stories about me. Everyone laughed loudly. Time passed very fast. It was a really fun evening. Finally, I said goodbye. I thanked them for everything